What's up guys, Blake here with VaporAuthority.com, and today we're going to be talking about one of the latest and greatest products to hit the vape market, and that is the Aspire Triton sub-ohm tank. Now the Aspire Triton is a fantastic sub-ohm tank, and that's because it's packed with many features. You can expect a stainless steel construction, it utilizes Pyrex glass, and it also has a dual airflow control system. Now if that doesn't entice you enough, maybe this will. The Triton comes with a wide bore drip tip, it uses Japanese organic cotton, and it's also a top filling tank. This means that the Triton is very user friendly and you can fill from the top of the tank rather than the bottom. But that isn't all the Aspire Triton has to offer. It also uses an RTA system which can be purchased separately. The Triton RTA system allows you to build your own coils to your own specs. So where this RTA system differs from others is that it's built like a traditional replacement coil head. So what this means is the RTA system is very user friendly, allowing you to build coils quick and easy. With that being said, let's dive down and take a closer look. So here is the packaging that your Aspire Triton will come in. To the left and the right of the box just says Triton, while the bottom and the top says Aspire. On the back there is a bit of information and then the contents of this kit. Now let's pull out the Aspire Triton, lift up this cardboard piece, and underneath you'll see this gray foam piece which holds a replacement 1.8 ohm coil. And now we have the Aspire Triton. As I explained before, this tank is made of stainless steel. It uses Pyrex glass and it holds 3.5 mils of e-liquid. Here's your bottom airflow. One channel on this side and one on the other. The airflow is adjustable. And here's your top airflow, which is also adjustable. Up top you have a wide bore drip tip. As I mentioned before, the Triton is a top fill tank. That means you can drip your e-liquid directly from the top. There are two holes in this top piece where you can fill the e-liquid. Right now the holes are closed off. So when you want to fill your e-liquid, you'll just turn this ring where the arrow points to the e-liquid symbol. And as you can see, the hole is now open. Turn it back, closes it off. And that is the Aspire Triton sub-ohm tank. Now let's check out the Triton RTA system from Aspire. As you can see on the lid, it tells you what is in this kit and how to put it together. And it comes with a pack of Japanese organic cotton, extra seals, O-rings, and screws, suggested coil specs for the Triton, and you'll get a screwdriver, a pre-made coil, and the RTA system. Now I'm going to show you how to put the RTA system together and install your coil. You'll first want to take your top piece. You can see that there's a little hole beside the big hole, and you'll notice on the side that there's a screw. Now the screw is what's going to hold your wire down. So you'll first want to make sure that hole is open. Next you'll want to grab your pre-made coil and then slide one into that hole. Like so. Now that you have your coil in place, you'll want to bring it up just a bit and you'll see the juice holes on each side. You want to slide an extra screwdriver inside that hole. Make sure that it goes through the coil and out the other side. Once you have it there, flip it to the side and you'll see the screw. Now you'll need to take your screwdriver, tighten that screw down, pull out your extra screwdriver, and your coil is in place. The next thing you'll want to do is take your middle piece, slide it over that lead, screw it onto your coil, and then you'll notice the very bottom piece has a hole through it. Now you're going to want to slide your lead through that hole and then press fit it into your coil. Now you'll want to find the screw right here. Take your screwdriver and screw in that screw. This is what's going to hold your wire. Check your other screw. Make sure it's tight. Now you want to start by bending your leads off. Make sure your screws are tight once again. Next, you'll want to grab your cotton and some scissors. Cut you a strip. Twist one end of your cotton. Now take your coil head, slide your cotton through the juice hole and into your coil, and out the other side. Once you've done that, you'll want to cut the cotton up close to the coil head. And you should be left with something like this. Alright guys, now that you've seen the Aspire Triton and the Triton RTA system, let's see how well it performs. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you're interested in picking up the Aspire Triton, then you can go to VaporAuthority.com. And as always, thanks for watching and vape on.